First question, consider the following statements regarding 103 Constitutional Amendment Act. Option A, it is related to socially and economically weaker sections. Option B, it is related to economically weaker sections for all caste. Option C, it is related to economically weaker sections excluding SC, ST, OBC. Option D, all the above. So here option C is a correct answer, and even after excluding SC, ST, OBC, some conditions are there regarding land and agricultural land. So option C is a correct answer. So 103 Constitutional Amendment Act is related to the economically weaker sections except SC, ST and OBC. So by amending this 103 Constitutional Amendment Act, Article 15 Clause 6, that is right to provide economically weaker sections of the society the educational rights, and Article 16 Clause 6, that is right to public employment for economically weaker sections, is added. So this is about 103 Constitutional Amendment Act. Second question, which of the following statements are not part of fundamental rights? Option A, right to vote. Option B, right to vote for prisoners. Option C, right to vote for undertrials. Option D, all the above. So here all the above is the correct answer, option D. So anything, any form of right to vote is not under the fundamental rights. Third question, choose a correct answer. Elattu Pootan Tevanar was one of the earliest known classical Tamil poets. Second statement, Chera dynasty was one of the most ancient Tamil dynasty in India. Third statement, classical work Tamil literature, Tirukkural, is called the Bible of Tamil land. So choose a correct option. So option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C 1 and 2, and option D 1, 2 and 3. So here option D is a correct answer. Fourth question, what are the conditions for government failure? Option A, cut motion. Option B, defeat of money bill. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. So both A and B options are correct. So option C is the correct answer. So here the cut motion is the power which is given to the members of Lok Sabha that enables its members to oppose any demand in the financial bill proposed by the government. So if the Lok Sabha members opposes the financial bill, then the government will collapse, and yes, if that cut motion is passed, then the government has to resign. And the next one is censor motion. Censor motion is a strong disapproval between against any council of minister or against council of ministers or group of ministers or an individual minister who failed to perform his duty. So whenever there is a cut motion and defeat of a money bill, then the government falls. Fifth question, who among the following is or are given GI tags recently? Option A, Gamocha. Option B, Tandoor Dal. Option C, Rakse Karpo Apricot. Option D, all the above. So here all the above three got the GI tags recently. So Gamocha is a type of cloth. It is from Assam. Tandoor Dal is from Telangana, and Rakse Karpo apricot is from Ladakh, and Alibag white onion is from Maharashtra. So all these four, including 5 other agricultural products from Kerala, have got the GI tags recently. So here all the above is the correct answer. Sixth question, which of the following are correct? The first ruler of slave dynasty is Qutbuddin Aibak. Option B, Ikta system was introduced by Iltutmish. Option C, Alauddin built the city fort complex to protect Delhi from invention of Mongols. Option D, all the above. So all these statements are correct. Option D is the correct answer. Seventh question, who was the first Indian to be elected to Parliament in Britain? Option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option B, Raj Bihari Bose. Option D, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option D, Dadabhai Naoroji. So, option D, Dadabhai Naoroji was the first Indian to be elected to the Parliament in Britain. So, option D is the correct answer. Eighth question, consider the following correct statements. Option A, 74th Constitutional Amendment Act is related to urban local bodies. So under this, urban local bodies are implemented. And option B, 103 Constitutional Amendment Act, 20% reservation for economically weaker sections has been given. Option C, 93rd Constitutional Amendment Act, special provisions to educational backward classes is given. Option D, all the above. So here all these statements are wrong. Only option A is the correct answer. 103 Constitutional Amendment Act is related to 10% reservation for EWS and economically weaker sections, okay? And 93 Constitutional Amendment Act is giving special provisions for social and economical backward classes. Now coming to the ninth question, which scheme was launched to provide coal to stressed power units which lack coal supply? Option A, Uttam app. Option B, Shakti scheme. Option C, Khan Prahari app. Option D, coal mine surveillance and management scheme. So option B is the correct answer. Shakti scheme was launched to provide coal to stressed power units which lack coal supply. And here Uttam app is related to bringing transparency in coal allocation. Khan Prahari app is related to report the illegal coal mining, and coal mine surveillance and management scheme is related to report and on unauthorized coal mining. Now coming to the 10th question, read the statements regarding blue bugging. So option A, hacking can be done through Bluetooth connection. Regarding this blue bugging, hacking can be done through Bluetooth connections. Option B, a hacker can listen to calls, read and send messages, and steal and modify contacts. Option C, it can be prevented by turning off Bluetooth when not in use and updating the device. Option D, all the above. So all these statements are correct. Option D is a correct answer.